Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by capturing the exact error code. This tells you the likely fault. Once noted, power cycle the Xbox 360, hold the guide, remove power for 60 seconds to flush volatile errors. Then clear the system cache in settings. This removes temporary files that often break game launches. While doing that, make sure the console sits on a stable surface and that the disk is cool. Temperature and vibration can cause read errors, so handle components gently and proceed to the next diagnostic step. Once you've cleared cache and power cycled, inspect the disk under bright light and clean from center outward with a soft cloth. This often restores readability. If the disk is fine, uninstall the game and reinstall or redownload it. Corrupt installs cause many errors. Then restart the console. Make sure the system software is fully updated so patches and drive firmware match the game. If you use cloud saves, sign back into your profile and sync progress before launching the title again. You finish by launching the game and playing for several minutes to confirm the error is gone. Short tests can miss intermittent faults, so stress the system with varied gameplay. If problems persist, try another disk or a different profile to isolate hardware from account or license issues. As a last resort, perform a factory reset after backing up saves and transferring licenses, because this resolves deep software corruption. Troubleshooting tip: if the drive makes abnormal noises, stop and seek hardware repair right away.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.